Hi there, my name is Marilyn, and I'd like to welcome you to Stamping Creations with Marilyn. If you love beautiful handmade cards, simple layouts you can repeat again and again, and a warm place to craft without any pressure, you're in the right spot. I've been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator since 2007, and I still get excited about pretty designer paper, a clever layout, and all the bells and whistles. But what I love more is helping women feel confident when they sit down to create. So on this channel, you'll find step-by-step card tutorials, simple layouts you can use any paper with, live Glue and Giggles crafting sessions every Thursday, tips to help you get more from your supplies, and encouragement to keep things joyful but not overwhelming. I do believe card making should feel calm, creative, and doable. You don't need a huge craft room. You don't need every product. You just need a simple plan and a little inspiration. Crafting has been such a gift in my life, especially during seasons when I needed community and purpose. Sharing this hobby has helped me connect with women across Canada and beyond, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm always learning, whether it's a new stamping technique, a new technology that helps me serve my community better, or anything new bells and whistles that come along. I like to look at them all. If I can learn live streaming and automation in my 70s, you can absolutely try something new too. So subscribe, join me for a live, and become part of this great community that values creativity, kindness, and connection.